Hello, myself Hasnain Mansoori and I am a student of General Medicine in Astana Medical University. I am going to show you the proper way of hand hygiene and the rules of the putting on the gloves. To do a proper hand hygiene, step 1, wet hands with the water. Step 2, apply single sort of soap. Step 3, rub hands palm to palm. Step 4, rub back of each hand with the palm of other hand with finger interlocked. Step 5, rub palm to palm fingers interlocked. Step 6, rub with back of fingers to opposing palms with finger interlocked. Step 7, rub each thumb clasped in opposite hand using the rotation movement. Step 8, rub tips of fingers in opposite palm in circular motion. Step 9, rub each wrist with opposite hand. Step 10, rinse hand with water. Step 11, dry thoroughly. Now the rules of putting on the sterile gloves. First, perform the hand hygiene. Second, select the appropriate sized gloves. Third, open the sterile package of sterile gloves with caution by the using flap surrounding package. Remember, you have 2 inches to grab around the sterile field without contaminating it. First, glove your dominant hand. Pick up the glove of the dominant hand with your non-dominant hand by grasping the inside of the cuff of the glove. Then the slide into your dominant hand. Be careful not to touch anything with this gloved hand other than the sterile field packaging. Step 5. Take your sterile gloved hand and slip it under the cuff of the other glove to glove your non-dominant hand. Gently push the glove onto your non-dominant hand. Adjust the gloves carefully but making sure you do not touch your skin or other object. These are some tips for the putting sterile gloves. First, never should touch anything other than what is required for the procedure with the sterile gloves. Second, if the sterile gloves process is broken at any point, use new gloves from a new package. Wear the sterile gloves only when the necessary. Never wash the gloves and reuse them. Never use gel and alcohol to clean gloves. Use a new pair each time. Use a new set of gloves on each patient and each procedure. And last but not the least, gloves do not substitute the proper cleaning of hand before using the sterile gloves.